In a magical forest lived Lama, a curious squirrel. Her days were usually filled with gentle wonder, but one quiet afternoon, everything suddenly froze. Leaves, birds, and even water stood perfectly still. Lama, with her big, expressive eyes, looks around, puzzled by this strange, silent moment. Then a soft, shimmering glow catches her eye. A mysterious crack pulses with light in the air. Cautiously, she approaches the glowing rift, her heart filled with a gentle curiosity. With a tiny paw, Lama reaches out and gently touches the shimmering crack in time. A magical ripple spreads, and slowly, wonderfully, the world begins to awaken once more. The frozen spell lifts, the forest breathes again. Leaves dance, birds sing, and water flows freely. Lama watches, a calm smile gracing her face. She knows that even broken moments can always be mended. And in this beautiful forest, time flows on, reminding us of resilience and the magic within.